to assemble my pendants. And actually it's very creative process, because if you want in a simple way, so you use just a simple cord, it's artificial leather, or you can use natural leather, and there are different colors. This is brown, I have green, I have turquoise, and that's simple and beautiful, and also very elegant, but simple way. It's just hand cord and different colors, and this is a simple way. Also the connectors, like here I use ready to use connectors, and here I made myself with wire, and here as well. So it's still a lot of work, and I have only one day before the art show. What else you can use? So there are different types of ribbons, and if you look here, you see I have so many different kind of ribbons that actually I hardly use them. But there's another project. This is I'm gonna make collar chokers. But there are different types of ribbons, and I sorted them by color. So this is silver one, and I have green one, and like here I have red one. Another option, it's dyed ribbon, and it could be handmade, and hand dyed, and sometimes you can buy in some stores, some art supplies. Sometimes you can order online. So this type of ribbons, it's hand dyed ribbons, like silk ribbons. They're not cheap, and I usually combine with some other beads, not just like pendants. I create some kind of piece of art. And also there are silk, not ribbons, but cords like this, also hand dyed, different variety, different colors. So it's the colors match my colors of pendants. So as you can see, I have so many, and that's why it's easy for me to choose, or maybe not easy, because now I have to think how I'm gonna combine. Also you can use this type of ribbons with some beads, and there are different colors. I have beige one, golden one, green one, and purple one. They're not expensive, but they look nice, and they add something like some kind of additional elements. You always can express the beauty of your pendant, or actually ruin if they're too shiny, and sometimes you have to stop if you don't want to ruin your the composition of your pendant. So I have some different types of chain. This is a big one, but also I have small one, like I have brass, I have silver, I have colored one. And it's interesting, but you can make some ribbons from old scarves, like old materials. This is very beautiful material, so you can make like this. It's actually silk, and this is old scarf. And instead of using the scarf, I decided, because I already used it, but still in wonderful shape, nothing wrong with the scarf, so I will be cutting and making ribbons, or stripes, whatever. So you see, this is idea. So you actually can make your own material, own ribbons, own cords, whatever you like it. This is my another treasure, another container with wires and with different cords. I found this one very beautiful, very shiny, and could go with some kind of pendants, even necklaces. This is new. Then different type of cords. This is natural leather, and also I found this one sparkling cord and wire, and you see it's sparkling. And the silk one, like golden tones, and many others. Like this one is very beautiful. So I'm gonna use today also the colored wires, so I can put on a wire like a lot of ideas, actually, and creative ideas. So I need time to look through all my treasures, even like this one. Look at this. And I have to look through my treasures and choose the color, so it takes time, but it's some kind of game, and game of colors. And even like, you know, I can use it at this beauty. It's like some summer type, bright type, can go with a pink or any actually bright color. So as you can see, it's a lot of work to do. And as I have only one day to assemble everything, it's okay. I mean, I will do it. And I will show you later all results of my work. And as I said at the beginning, if you are in a hurry and you have no time, just use this simple cord. And sometimes it's enough to have your pendant, especially when the pendant is beautiful itself. Like, you don't need too much colors around, you don't need too much elements around. So this material is not expensive, and usually it could be the best choice, especially when you have a lot of work to do, and you want to sell like your pendants in a simple way that people then can assemble themselves and use different type of connectors, different type of chains or ribbons, whatever they like. Sometimes I ask people how they would like to wear, like what they prefer, and especially if I know these people, it's my like acquaintances or my friends or their friends, then I have time and then we choose together whatever they like. But if you go outside to present your art items, to present your jewelry, well, you don't know the taste of people, you don't know who's gonna come to this art show or market, art market or art craft market or festivals, doesn't matter. And you're learning all the time, and sometimes you will be going to the same events every year, and for others you would never go again. So it's a challenge, but it's fun. You know, if you probably seen the previous episode, some of you would say, Olena, you're so messy. It's a mess to find something what you need. But actually it took me 7 minutes to organize my place and organize everything I need. So what I did, as you can see, I put on my table all materials I can use to assemble my pendants, to make necklaces, and there are different ones, even like chains here and ribbons, and it's everything in order. So I don't need to look in my boxes. I have wires, like different colors of wires, so probably will make this connectors. So, and as you can see, everything in order. I can see I'm standing in front of my table and I can see everything in order. And what else I did, I actually reorganized, like sorted out my pendants by rainbow colors. So here I have red, orange, yellow, warm colors, and as you can see, I found even a match. I like this match. And then I have green and blue, and then I have purple, and I have also white and black. I found it's very organizing in a ways that I can concentrate, for example, on the warm colors and work with the warm colors here. So I don't waste time on looking some specific colors that would match my necklaces. I also have the colored wire, and I have more. So if I need some color, I would like to connect, to make a connector, then it's perfect with me. So as you can see, just like, you know, not even half, it's 1/3 of my table. And then I can choose from this collection whatever I want, and create my masterpiece. Because it's getting cold, my animals spend more time in a house, and my Sonia is sleeping here. Yes, Sonia, 12 years old cat. And then Nook usually likes to sleep here besides fireplace and where I'm working, because here's my studio, a little bit messy. Okay, let's start it. It's a beautiful evening outside and I finished assembling my necklaces. Yahoo! I am a champion. So instead of 27 as I thought, I actually assembled 32 pendants and I used different material. As you can see, different colors. I'll probably make it small. And I will take picture of all of them. It's already 7:30 and I need to go and take a shower and be ready for tomorrow's art show. And I'm lucky that I have a friend that wants to go with me, and my husband will be helping me. But as you can see, different type of wires and ribbons and cords. Okay, the most difficult was this chain, brass chain, because I have some more like here, let's say probably 4 items with this chain. I like it. It's very gentle, very beautiful, tiny, but the problem is that it has to be locked all the time because it actually creates knots right away, and also it's very small, and the connectors that come in with the kit and to assemble was not thin enough to go through the little holes in the chain. So I'm lucky I had thinner one, and then I assembled. Of course, was the easiest part because you just use the ready to use chain. It's gold plated. This is silver plated. So a couple were very simple. This is like some kind of creation, and I use different colors. So I will make pictures and ready to go. And I'll see you at the art show.